Have you ever heard that happiness is an inside job and we are responsible for our own happiness? The other people are not meant to complete us but only meant to be a part of more of who we already are. If you have not, then today I have a story for you. And if you have and still have any doubts, then also I have a story for you that I have read somewhere and it is a beautiful story and I wanted to share with all my viewers. Hi everyone, my name is Pratishtha Bhalla. I am a mind and memory coach, and today the story that I am going to share with you is something that actually touched my heart. It is a story of a small girl called Angel. When Angel was born, she was given a golden box. She was blessed that this golden box will remain with her throughout her life. So as she grew up, she did keep that golden box. But the idea of opening that golden box never came to her. She tried sometimes, but still it would not open. So she would leave it and then she would forget about it. But there was some problem in her life. She would always feel that there is some void in her life. Although her parents loved her a lot, they were always worried about her. They always wanted to give her more than she could ask for. Yet, Angel felt incomplete. She would often complain to her parents about this void. She would say that I have this void in me, but I don't really know from where this void is coming from. You love me, I know, but I still could feel that it is not enough to complete me. Angel was a very kind girl. She always wanted to do something that would contribute towards the society. Angel grew up to be a doctor. She started helping people around her and it would give her immense satisfaction. Yet the void remained with her. So many times she would feel depressed or something missing in her heart, but she could not say what it is. She again went to her parents and complained about this void. Her parents thought that maybe it's time to get their little girl get married. So they got Angel married to a handsome young man who was compassionate and kind, and he cared about Angel more than anything in this world. He loved Angel with all his heart and would always try to give her the best of what he could. Yet, Angel would still get that void. What was this void coming from? That was something nobody could explain to her. As life passed by, Angel became mother of three beautiful kids. She would love them deeply. She would give them anything they wanted because she was financially stable. She was having everything she could ask for. She was able to support their children as well as other people. She would be always giving to others, yet that void remains. So, what was this void about? She could not decipher, she could not tell what this void was about. She would complain to her husband again and again. With tears in her eyes, she would say, "You don't love me enough." He would try to justify, "I give you all my love, so what more can I do?" But Angel was never satisfied. She would feel that no, something is still missing. This would often break the heart of her husband, but both of them could not do anything about the situation. They were trying their best. Angel became 70 years old and still she had that void in her. A void which was inexplainable. She didn't know what to do about it. She was so worried always that maybe I could get something just get rid of this void. Again one day she went to her husband with tears in her eyes and said, "I have this void. I feel a pain inside my heart. I don't feel complete enough because I think you don't love me enough. You don't care about me enough." Her husband was heartbroken, so he remained silent. Angel turned back and was about to go when suddenly her husband said, "Angel, what about the golden box you always carry with you? Have you ever tried to open that?" Angel became very surprised because, yes, she remembered that golden box. She always carried that golden box with her, but she could never open it. Initially, when she tried to open it, she was not able to, and hence she had left the idea. So, this time, she was determined to open the box. She found the key finally, and she was able to open the box. As soon as she opened the box, A lot of tears of joy started coming in from her eyes. She was happy, she was overwhelmed, she was getting every emotion she could ask for, and she could suddenly feel that the void has suddenly gone away. The void was not there anymore. From that day on, Angel knew that the people in her life, her family, her husband, her children, only added to what she already had. They only added to her joy and happiness. She could only get what was already inside her. Yes, friends, we all have that golden box with us. We are born with that. And that golden box can be opened with a key called meditation. When we open the golden box which we have inside us using that golden key, we are able to get rid of all the external circumstances, the external factors, and we are able to look in the emotions we are having inside, what we actually need, what we actually desire, what our heart craves for. To get into that, we need to meditate, we need to look inside, we need to stop cribbing about what is outside, because external circumstances are more often than not out of our control. But this internal environment, the internal beauty that we all carry with us, is for us, is in our hand. So do open the gift of golden box that you were given at the time of your birth. Look inside, do meditation, understand how to meditate, and then start practicing it every single day. The more you look inside, the less you'll be bothered about what's outside, because all our happiness lies inside, all our emotions lies inside, and we only get what we already have. If we are very happy, we give happiness, and in return we get a lot of happiness. When we are angry, we give other that part of negative energy that we are carrying with us, and we get the same energy back. So to stop getting the negative from the outside, we need to start from the inside. We need to start changing our inner environment into a positive, happy environment and start living a fulfilled life. If you like this story, don't forget to comment, like, and share this story with all your friends and family members. Let them also discover the golden box that they were born with, yet they forgot about it as they grew up. Let's become the best version of ourselves. Stay awesome and stay blessed, and I'll see you soon.